Won't you let the light shine through for you, for you, for you, for you.
Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vidy. If you guys are new here, don't forget to subscribe because I'll be posting weekly and I'll be giving you guys some shout outs under the comment section below, so please stay in touch. Alright, so how we're gonna do an outro video is what I like to use is my show app video, which is called, I'll show a little picture of the emoji of this on the side right then and there, and we're gonna be showing you step by step by picking a little for now. In my video show app, what I'm trying to do, you could choose whatever background. It doesn't have to be multiple backgrounds at the same time as a slideshow. It could be just be one, but I will recommend two, just to give it like a little action going on in the background, you know. What I'm trying to do is just really, I'm trying to rotate them because I have them both pretty much similar photos, just one's not. Two out of them isn't, and then the blue one is just duplicated, just to flip it over, rotate it, just to be in the opposite shading color. You guys get the point, correct? And yes, I'm gonna just make sure the duration is also completed and the YouTube size format is completed, which I'm doing right now. And always make sure it's YouTube size format, because and then you gotta have to reload it all over again to make the correct size, because it's not gonna come out the correct size for your YouTube videos. And let me just tell you, we also have themes in there. Sometimes it's also good to go and check them out because you could customize a little bit with it, just to give you an intro and outro. They have options for them, or for just in the introduction. So sometimes it's good to play around, because I myself, for this part, like right there, I got myself an outro partly of the theme. I got part of that theme with my background design and everything. I just cropped what I didn't want for part of my outro, and then continue editing on pieces by pieces as a puzzle, you know. So it's good to just be creative and everything about it though, but alright, once I start doing that part of the section of the background and everything, I start now to decorate overlays, especially like on the college section button in this app is once I've put in a little picture of me that I've already made. If you guys are interested about how I made that little cartoonish style, let me know in the comments below. But right there is where you're gonna have your little subscriber picture area where my picture's at, and just give it a little more of a detailish every time. I have a bunch of overlays. I'll definitely let you at the end of the video how you get overlays for your photos, thumbnails, etc., videos, you know. And I'm putting myself a little palm tree aesthetic, little overlay pictures. Okay, so once you got the picture down of the overlays, I always make sure that it's always being on the same timing for all of the overlay pictures. And then once I'm done, I start to decide a music background for it, the outro, because I'd rather just have my own customized background for it. Okay, so once we get that part of the picture of overlays, I decided to go ahead and get some text started. I have my own custom fonts that I've downloaded in my website. I'll definitely show that to you. And what I've been able, you have to have it copied or paste it at least on that section file that's letting you option how do you put that on your apps. All apps have that. The specific apps that do allow to have your own download fonts in as well. I'll give you that website link in the description below as well. Okay, so then I decided where my section is going to be for the videos of my next videos or future videos, etc. to get people to get back to your more of your videos channels is I have a specific overlay square that's perfect for a little background of my videos. I place it both there, make sure everything's fitting perfectly nice and on the whole picture frame, YouTube frame, I don't know. Hope you guys really do enjoy this because, to be honest, I'm not such an experienced person, but throughout the time, it's been 3 months, for almost to 4 months, I've reached a lot of experience of my own. I do a lot of my free time to learn how to do these things on a phone to be able to show you guys can do it as well. Then if I can do it, then you can do it, you know? Like, we don't have the money to be able to have other people that go ahead and make ours, you know? Sometimes there's other YouTubers have their own channels that do those kinds of things, and you could get those themes from them. But you always gotta give them credit if they're asking for their credit, you know, because they've made it. They worked hard on it, you know? Just like how I'm showing you guys. And it does take a while to when you're making your outro, intro, etc. videos, you know? And people who are trying to find out how to do an outro intro, I got you, girl, you know. So I'm just gonna put my name there, more videos there below. Just give your own a theme. Make sure it's a theme that you guys going on, because if you have no theme going on, then it doesn't catch the people's attention to love your channel, you know. Like, just be you though. Don't worry about this, you know. Just have fun. It's all art, all about art, just like me. Okay, so now since I've gotten that down, I wanted to give it an FX motion going on, so I've decided to go give it a little glitch going on for my beginning of the outro. and the ending of my outro. Ignore that little recording because I was just checking if it's still recording while I was doing all this kind of detailed video tutorial to you guys, you know. But yes, give it a little FX going on in the front, you know. Like I'm giving that glitch going on for the intro at the beginning and the outro at the beginning, just to give it just something going on, not just have everything so flat, you know. Make everything come out alive. Just finishing up on the details, little fixes that I want to fix myself. Because if you guys ain't fixing more than once, then you guys ain't doing a good job, you know what I mean? You know? Alright, I'm just finishing up the details. You guys get that part going on. And at the very end of the video, I'll be showing you guys the ending finishing touch of the video that I've did for this new outro I've done. For you guys to get the idea of the creative and art you gotta do. But before the end of that video part, I'm gonna be showing you guys the websites that are gonna be also in the link description below of how you could download these outros and fonts. Okay, so I've gone to the website. So this one's the overlays. It's called the Kiss Peng. You can find so much things to be able to make all the kind of things that you need for an intro, an outro, and for anything you could think of when it comes to video editing. So you are very welcome, because aren't they so beautiful? Oh, there goes that one little thing that I've gotten already here for giving you guys an example already what an overlay can do for my videos, you know. Okay, and for the next app, which is for the fonts, I already see all them scrolling down for you guys, it's called The Font with the DA font.com. It's very simple for both of those websites. You click on which one you want and then you press download, and it's like getting download inside the download sections. I would recommend to open it right away, because sometimes they probably get expired, because it's been happening to me. If I don't open it once I download it, like it ends up not being existed at all, and I have to reload them again. For this one, since I have Fonto, I just click on it, it goes straight to my Fonto, and I press accept, obviously, to be able to have it straight to my Fonto fonts. Once I do that, I do go to my files. Once you go to your files on the Fonto, I do make a copy out of it, and I paste it into my app, the one I'm showing you right now on the edit video. And I go to the file there, paste it there, and then on the font section, and then it's right there. If you guys are wondering how do you put your fonts, you make sure you have them paste in your file app. Go to the files and make sure the name is under that app. Alright, we have reached the end of this video, so if you guys have not subscribed, please subscribe, because I'll be making more videos like these as well. I'm gonna be also making a playlist of YouTube 101. I'm gonna be placing them all there, all the video edits, all the questions about being a video or being a YouTuber. So don't be missing out, and please subscribe, and I'll be posting weekly, so stay tuned. And shout outs, please go ahead and check out their channel if you have not, because they are great. All of you guys are great, and I'll be always happy to support all of you guys. So thank you for supporting me and watching my video. You guys have a good day.